Hi lovelies, welcome to another video. If this is your first time, you're welcome to the channel. So this is the next day after doing the hot oil treatment. In case you've not watched the video, I'm going to drop it in the description box below. So yeah, before washing the hair, the lady detangled the hair, but it didn't take time because the comb was just sliding through. Remember, I did the hot oil treatment, so it just made it easy. Like the process was just easy. I didn't spend more time. She didn't spend more time detangling the hair before we went to wash the hair. And so the lady was admiring my hair. I think because of my hair, she was very, very gentle. Like she just kept on asking me questions, blah blah blah, here and there. But I enjoyed the fact that she was really, really gentle with my hair, and I really applaud her for that. Like she took her time to wash my hair. Even in my mind, I'm saying, "Ha, una water no go finish, like una water go finish," because she just kept on washing the hair. And like she took her time, like she really calmed down, take wash my hair, honestly speaking. And I was just feeling myself, and at this part here I was just changing position because this thing they pain my neck. I don't know if it's because of how long I've washed my hair, or I just didn't sit down properly because my neck was really hot in here. But I was just trying to manage and adjust myself. And this is the next part to detangle the hair and then apply my protein treatment. Another shocking part is the fact that the lady was sectioning my hair before she combed it. Like she just give me joy on this particular day. I was like, I remember I was already praying that God, I beg, I don't want to have any setback at the salon. And the lady just surprised me. Even though the hair still had water in it, but she still dried it. Like after washing the hair, she dried it with a towel, but it's not completely dried. But we have to go over with the process for the protein treatment. So she detangled the hair, and it was smooth. Like the hot oil treatment also helped. And this is after the application of my protein treatment. I'm going to put the picture of the protein treatment I use on the video. Hopefully I don't forget. So yeah, this is me staying under the hair dryer because they don't have an hair steamer. So I had to just sit down under this for a while. And with the low heat, I told her to put it on low heat. So after some minutes I went to rinse that, and this is me trying to get a roller set because I wanted to get a coils. And I told her I also want to trim the hair. So she, after patting and applying the stuff they apply, I think moisturizer or that liquid stuff they used to apply before they do this roller set, then she trimmed it. So have you ever tried this wet trimming before? Let me know in the comment section. Now this is the final result after my visit at the salon. I know you might be wondering, where are the coils? Like me too, I'm shocked. Where are my coils? So this is the only fail that I had in the salon. Like this is the only F9 that I got at the salon. Every other thing went fine. The way she handled my hair. So a quick story of what happened. So when I got there, there was light, but this particular shop they don't have light. So the lady had to turn on her generator for me to stay on that dryer to do that steaming of that protein treatment. Then she had to off the gen after that because doing the roller set takes a lot of time, especially with my full hair. But unfortunately for her, she forgot to off her fuel pump, and that affected the generator. So when it was time for me to go under the dryer after the roller set, the generator kept on on and offing. And you know what? We just had to take out the roller set and yeah, and comb it like that. But I still want to get the coil, so in my next video I'll be trying out the heatless coil, so make sure you stay tuned to watch that. And this is the shaded hair after the whole process. The lady gave it to me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.